Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can view your listening history on Spotify, so if you are interested then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to view your Spotify listening history, it's actually pretty easy. So for the first step, of course, you will need to open your Spotify app. And after opening your Spotify, next, I want you to tap your profile at the top left corner. And after tapping your profile, you will then be able to see the listening history option right here, so just go and tap it. And then that's it guys, congratulations, it's done. You will now be able to view your listening history on Spotify. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching, goodbye.